Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Bouloy, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to brush your dog's teeth today. This is Butch, and he's a well-loved home Labrador, yellow lab, who's got a wonderful home, and he's a good volunteer here to show you how to brush teeth at home. This is a plastic model, and I'm going to just show you for starters. The idea is not to stress out and have to worry about brushing every nook and cranny of every tooth, because if we do, we'll get very, very tired, and we won't do this important task at home. But what I'd like to do is have people, I'm happy if my clients can brush their dog's teeth once a week. Usually works great. So any little bit's going to help. And the whole idea is to help prevent excessive plaque from building up on the teeth and causing gum disease. So what I'm going to do is show you a couple different techniques for doing that. One of them is just a simple, get a gauze pad, a child's washcloth, wet it, put a little bit of baking soda on it, and just gently wrap it around your finger and wipe the surfaces of the teeth off. And wipe the surfaces that face the cheek. Don't worry about the side that faces the tongue, because most dogs won't let you get around that tongue to get the back side of the teeth. Probably 90% of the plaque buildup is going to be on the side that faces the cheek. So that's a good economical way to do that. Again, baking soda is just abrasive enough that it helps to break down the film that causes the bacteria produce. And the baking soda also helps to kind of freshen the breath. So there are some other things that are very good. Enzymatic toothpaste help break down the plaque. And you can do the same thing. You can put this on a little gauze sponge, or you can put it on a washcloth. And again, another good technique. Another technique that I like you can do is just a regular store-bought toothbrush. Try to get a juvenile toothbrush. They're a little smaller. Most dogs are going to be a little more tolerant of a small toothbrush in the mouth. And I'm going to demonstrate both techniques with a washcloth or just a pad. We're just going to get in here and literally just kind of blindly just wipe the plaque off those teeth. Sometimes if you have a dog who really enjoys tennis balls, give them a tennis ball. Let them hold the tennis ball in their mouth, and they're going to give you a big grin of their teeth, and they'll think it's a playtime. They're going to enjoy the tennis ball, and just get in there with that tennis ball, and while they're playing, and just wipe those teeth. But again, we're just trying to get that plaque layer off those teeth. So with a washcloth, and then if you do just a toothbrush, same type of thing. Don't worry about every little nook and cranny. Just get in there and just try to wipe off those big teeth. And Butch is an awful good dog. Some dogs are going to be a little bit more wiggly and are going to be a little tougher to hold. If you have a family member, it doesn't hurt to have one family member hold and then the other person kind of work on those teeth. But you can do it by yourself. Make it a fun time with your dog. Afterwards, say good dog, give a little chew toy. Greenies work really well. Greenies can help scrape the teeth, and that could be the treat afterwards. There's also some dental diets that are really good. Hill's Science Diet makes one called TD, and TD is a really good one too. It's a biscuit that they chew, and it helps to scrape the teeth. There's some other companies that make very similar diets as well. So that's just in a nutshell how to take care of your dog's breath. And you can do the same with cats. Cats are a little tougher, but every little bit helps, and it'll help prevent the buildup of plaque that causes gum disease, and it'll help to lessen the need for dentals under anesthesia if you can do some good home care. But most dogs as they age will need some care with professional cleanings, and that's consult your veterinarian for advice on when's the best time to schedule a dental.